Alright, it's going. This is the second piece, right?
Yeah. Easy.
Max, you can't eat the rind, buddy. This good stuff, huh, Mackie? Huh, Mackie? Oh my god. Here, buddy, you want to finish my piece?
Easy.
Wow. What do you think of that, Max? Is that delicious or what, huh? Nice, like, no thanks. Fine, baby. Where's my kisses? That's it. No more. You can't have any more.
Ooh, you guys are cool.
Huh?
It's a nice, like, ooh, you guys are cool.
You eat watermelon?